Okay, as you can see here, I have the arm of my crop top sewed closed with a slip stitch. Now you want to turn your sleeve and your whole top right side out, because we will be placing single crochets evenly across the side of our crop top. Then we will go along the bottom of our crop top all the way to the other corner. Then we will be placing single crochets evenly up the side, and then when we come to the armpit, that is where we will turn and come down this side and close these. And no, I'm sorry, we will be coming down the side, then we will be adding more single crochet across the bottom row until we come to this other corner, and then we will go back up the side with single crochet, and then we will sew our single crochets closed, so we have the sides of our crop top closed, and then that way we have single crochets evenly spaced across the side. This will help shape the crop top because it is going to be wide and it is going to be short, so you're going to have a wide front across your crop top, because it's not meant to be fitted, it's meant to be worn loosely. Okay, so I finished my sleeve here, and as you can see, it gave me a nice rib along the side of the underside of the sleeve, and it looks and fits in just like the ribbing for the rest of the sleeve. And it is not very thick against your skin, so you won't be feeling you know, like a hard edge when you actually wear it. So we are going to start the single crochet down the back side. Let me find my stitch here. We will be doing it down the back side of our top, and we'll be working from the armpit down to the corner. Okay, so all you do is you flip it where you can get it nice and comfortable for you to place single crochets evenly down the inside of our crop top. Okay, so, and we want these to be on the right side of our top. That's why we're going to go down the back side of the top, or however way works best for you to add the single crochets here. Okay, so I'm in the armpit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find my foundation half double crochet row that we added for the sleeve, and we are going to go on the outside of that stitch and just add a single crochet there. And you may have to add 2 along that half double crochet side. If you don't see the side stitch post, then the actual hole, then we will just add 2 single crochet for 1 half double crochet. Okay, so here's the side. I don't see the post, so I'm going to add another one there, And then I'm going to go to the next where I do see a stitch and go in that and add one to both of these. If you can see them. Okay, and then here's a hole. We'll just add one there. So you'll be able to tell yourself once you look at it, just to evenly space out these single crochets, because you don't want the crop top to be tight or oversized when you go to sew the sides together. Okay, so make sure you do what you've done on this side to the other side of your half double crochet end posts. And then when you do it along the bottom, you will have the single crochet or the half double foundation row. You will have that you can place your single crochet stitches into, and that's all along the bottom. Okay, so I will meet you back up here. If you have any questions about any of these steps that we have gone through, or you need to see something specific for this crop top, you can find me at my Facebook page, Joe's Crafty Hook Designs, or if you're a member of my group, you can find me in my group of Joe's Crafty Hook Designs there as well. These video tutorials will be up on YouTube for anyone who decides they want to do the pattern. They can find these tutorial videos there to help them along the way. So if you are doing the pattern, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, like I said, you can find me on Facebook under Joe's Crafty Hook Designs. And I will see you back here when I get to the other side, the other armpit side. Thank you for watching.